This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER cartoon, The Flintstones. Whenever the great Gazoo visits, Fred and Barney are in for trouble. But sometimes Gazoo, that little genie from outer space, is worth his weight in uranium. Take for example the time Barney was mistaken for a famous scientist. Fred and Barney were followed by sinister spies from the syndicate. A famous bird beak engraver secretly took Barney's picture. He looked very much like the scientist the spies were hunting. Then the syndicate put its plan into action. Both Fred and Barney were kidnapped and taken to a dungeon. A fierce Horosaurus growled in the cell next to them. Barney was supposed to tell the chief spy, Stonefinger, a secret formula. But of course, Barney didn't know any secret formulas. Stonefinger became more and more angry. Then he slowly raised the door to the Horosaurus cell. Fred and Barney were petrified with terror. The only person who could help them was the great Gazoo. But would Gazoo answer their call? They had told him absolutely, positively never again to appear before them. See the amazing solution in these hilarious VIEW-MASTER 3D pictures. You'll be rocking with laughter. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. We want to capture this scientist. Picture 2. Spies follow the Flintstones and Rubbles. Picture 3. Oh, the great Gazoo appears. Picture 4. The great Gazoo levitates Fred. Picture 5. Gazoo, get me down now. Picture 6. Get out of here, Gazoo, and never come back. Picture 7. Fred and Barney are stopped for baby dinosaurs. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. The spies aim a camera at Barney. Picture 2. Is that a rock photo? Picture 3. Barney looks a lot like the famous scientist. Picture 4. The spies are waiting for their chance. Picture 5. And here it is. Watch out, Fred and Barney. Picture 6. Our heroes are captured and put in prison. Picture 7. Give me the formula or it's the Horosaurus. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. The Horosaurus charges. Picture 2. Magic. The great Gazoo to the rescue. Picture 3. A roaring Horosaurus becomes a baby. Picture 4. And a roaring spy becomes a baby. Picture 5. The spy hideout is a nursery. Picture 6. Gazoo, you're all right. Picture 7. Wilma and Betty like having the boys home again.